Hey YouTube world, it's Trav here from Monthly Missions. This is my Airbnb in Grande Prairie. So I'm just on days off. I'm an oil and gas camp worker on days off. I just put in a few weeks of work non-stop and I've been given a week off. So I'm on day 3 or day 4 here in Grande Prairie, Alberta. And yeah, I'm just enjoying my days off. I thought I'd give a tour. Nobody's home at this Airbnb, so I thought I'd give a tour. I paid $3.50 for the week, so about $50 a night, tax and everything included. So, I just thought, excuse my hands. Yeah, so I just thought I'd give a tour. Nobody's home, so $50 a night. I don't even know if it's worth it. The guy likes to hang out at the bottom of the stairs and watch TV. He's an old guy, and I guess he's a retired teacher, but teaches still on the side, sports activities and whatever. And he's got a big TV and computer set up at the bottom of the stairs. So anytime I go to the kitchen, anytime I come downstairs, he's right there at the bottom of the stairs. And I feel obligated to make conversation with him. Sometimes I just want to mind my own business and just come and go, but he's right there trying to make conversation. He's an old French man, and yeah, he's all right. He seems to be all right. Just he's a little bit ignorant, but that's the way French people are, I've found. But anyways, there's nobody home. I gotta give a tour. This is the neighborhood. Lots of snow here. This is the middle of March 2026, and that's the home there. He usually has a truck parked right there. He's gone cross-country skiing, I believe, today. I don't know whose car that is. This is his old car that hasn't moved in, I was guessing 3 years. He says 2 years. All the tires are all flat on it. The bodies are rough. Apparently he's got 300,000 kilometers on it. Anyways, yeah, all 4 tires are flat right to the pancake, right to the ground. But he needs to get it hauled away. But yeah, let's go check this place out. My room is up there to the right with the open window. It's a little bit hot in there. I have the window open. It's not even cold out today. It feels like plus 10 Celsius, like about 50 or 60, maybe 50, 55 degrees Fahrenheit. It's mild, very mild. But the snow keeps on coming. Lots of snow. So let's go check out inside. Whenever you leave, whenever you do anything with the door, it always locks. As you can see, I have it locked. But yeah, the automated lock in it just automatically locks it behind you. So anytime you leave or whatever, it always locks. So instead of that, I thought I'd lock it for it. Just automatically pull that out. So shoe stand, my boots. It's a little bit dirty in here. Apparently he's married to a Vietnamese woman that in September she went back to take care of family matters in Vietnam, and she hasn't been back since. This is March, and you can tell the place is a little bit dirty, but it's not bad. It's a little bit dirty, but he loves road biking in the summertime and cross-country skiing in the winter. Bikes, apparently it's really expensive. He's got it hooked up that he could just sit here and bike all day long and watch TV. Just get a little seat on it. Not for me. Gonna need a bigger seat than that. But look at his setup. I guess this is for company or whatever, but He's always sitting in that blue chair. I come down the stairs here to my room, and he's always got sports on, sitting in that chair. It's a little bit uncomfortable, but if he has nowhere to go, he has nowhere to go. Then there's a downstairs basement apartment. A lady and her kids live down there. The first thing I noticed here, he actually tidied it up this morning, but the first thing I noticed whenever I came in at 3 o'clock in the morning, I noticed a lot of Asian products. And so I thought, well, okay, this is an Asian household. They're obviously from Asia somewhere, because all the different Asian products I saw. But as it turns out, he's white. He's a French Canadian. He's from Montreal. And it's her that's Asian. It's her that's from Vietnam. But anyways, yeah, I can see all their products, all their nice, tasty products everywhere. But look at this. This calendar is stuck on June 2021. 5 years. Almost 5 years. 4.5 years. He hasn't changed his calendar. The first thing I noticed when I got here is the garbage is overflowing. I couldn't even put my own garbage there. I had to find a garbage bag up here and change the garbage just as soon as I got here. But the man was kind enough to get beers for me while I was at camp. I told him I'd be getting here around 3 a.m., 2 or 3 in the morning, and he picked up beers for me. And this is the last of my beers, a few different things. Yeah, so I've been using that fridge there. But yeah, as you can see, fish sauce, seasoning. He had a whole bunch of other ingredients and products out that I could tell that it was an Asian household. You can tell he's a bachelor now with his wife living in Vietnam. Who knows when she'll be back or if she'll be back. Maybe she won't be back, but this is his fridge and it's empty. Then I look down to the freezer, and you can tell these products have been there a long time. They're all a little bit freezer birds. So the one thing I noticed too, that this household didn't have any wine glasses. I like sipping on red Australian wine. It's good stuff. So yeah, look at this. There were 4 boxes of Joe Louis up there. Now there's 3, but they're all open. They're all empty. Yeah, just a quick look. Not being nosy or snoopy, it's interesting. He's in his 60s and he's very healthy. Looks like he eats well, eats very healthily. And so these are the wine glasses I got. I have 4 of them. One's drying right now. I got a good deal on them. No big deal. I gotta leave them behind. The household needs them. Oh, I like the black bowls and plates. Those are kind of cool. And cups too at the back. But yeah, anyways, that's the kitchen. I haven't been out here. Looks like there'd be room for a barbecue. But there's no barbecue. And I'm not sure what's across the way. Looks like a berm over the fence. You can see the top of a hill across there. And then beyond the hill, it looks maybe flat. I'm not sure what all that is back there. Some sort of a field. So yeah, we saw the living room. Now up to my bedroom. Stairs up. That's his room. Gotta turn on the light here. Hallway closet. This is the washroom. He keeps this clean. Hey, YouTube world. We show the shower heads in these Airbnbs. This is a nice big one. Looks like a good cleaning. Yeah, decent. The place is a little bit dirty, but looks like this morning it was cleaning up. I could see some differences downstairs in the kitchen. So we're expecting another tenant. Apparently a young boy comes and stays with him. This is the room he chooses. I'm assuming this is probably $50 a night as well. It's very quiet. There's the BMW cylinder there. I was wondering what that was. Decent sized closet. Turn off the light. This is my room. Don't mind the mess, it's a little bit messy. So I woke up this morning, started filming. Woke up, realized nobody's here, and thought I'd film it. So yeah, that's my bad. Obviously. Couple little stands. Nice big TV. I think it's a 50-inch, either 50 or 52, maybe 55. Nice big TV. Nice fan. Closet. And there you have it. That's my Airbnb tour in Grande Prairie, Alberta. I think the population is around 50,000 here. You can definitely tell when you're zooming around town. I've done a little bit of exploring around town. I filmed the local mall. You can definitely tell it's an oil and gas town. It's just the way it's set up and the way it looks. But anyways, thick old sign out here. Take care, everybody. If you haven't hit that subscribe button and you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I have some freaking awesome videos. I'm sure everybody's enjoying them. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video, if you want to see more Airbnb tours. And have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you later. See you in the next video.